The Best Doctoral Student of 2025 of the Indian Institute of Management Indore from EDPM is awarded to Mr. Deepak Kumar Panda, who will come and receive this award from the chief guest. Mr. Deepak Kumar Panda is an executive doctoral program in management EDPM student at the Indian Institute of Management Indore. His area of specialization is information systems. His doctoral thesis titled Impact of Human-Machine Collaboration on Adoption of Large Language Model-Based AI Systems explores the interplay between human-machine collaborations and the adoption of large language models, LLM-based AI systems. His research, conducted under the guidance of Thesis Advisory Committee led by Professor Praveen Kumar Panigrahi, Professor Mukul Gupta, Professor Bhavin Shah, and Professor Susmi Rotre, delves into key factors influencing collaboration effectiveness such as trust, ethics, privacy, and social influence. Through a structured model linking human-machine collaboration to AI adoption, his study provides valuable insights for technology leaders seeking to foster AI acceptance and optimize human-machine interaction in professional settings. He has published 2 research papers in A-Rank ABDC Journal, Journal of Database Management, focusing on AI in open source adoption for digital transformation and database management. Additionally, his research on cold start problem in recommender system has been established in the Journal of Intelligent Information Systems. His work has been presented at prestigious conferences, including the International Conference on Digital Organizations by the Center for Digital Transformation, IIM Ahmedabad, and 9th International Conference on Business Analytics and Intelligence, organized by IIM Bangalore. As we celebrate the academic excellence of our graduating students, it is with great honor and pride that we present Mr. Deepak Kumar Panda with the Distinguished Best Doctoral Student Award, EDPM 2025. This citation is bestowed upon him during IIM Indore's 26th Annual Convocation function on March 29, 2025. In recognition of his exceptional performance in his PhD thesis and his remarkable achievements in his doctoral journey.